Good morning, real quickly, my socially at ease warriors. Alright, so here's going to be a balance dummy, the balance line dummy. What it's going to do, it's going to sit inside. Eventually, it's going to dance with you. So once we get a video, once we get this working, these lines, here's your shoulders, here's your forearm, here's your full arm, stuff like that. These lines will actually start to move along. Let's see, I think it ends. Yeah, do that. So as you're moving and dancing along in the video, I can record your dancing, put them into here, and then ghost this onto your actual video. So you'll see these dancing lines moving with you, showing you exactly what you're doing inside your body. So it's going to be cool. Stay tuned for that.